Hey guys, Mordecai here. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the free open source graphic design program known as Paint.net. This program has less features than Photoshop, but it comes at no cost, is updated regularly, and it also has the ability to install plugins which can improve current features or add features that were not present originally. This will be the first of many tutorial videos that I will be providing focusing on this program and how to get the most out of it. So, enjoy. So to start things off, you're going to want to open a tab in whatever browser you're using. For me, it's Google Chrome with the Ecosia search engine add-on. And when you open up your tab, you're going to want to make sure to go into your search bar and type paint.net, or if you're just putting in the URL up in the URL bar, make sure you don't type paint.net, because if you do that instead of the search bar, it'll take you to a website you don't want. If you just type get, paint.net, uh, it will take you to the website you actually want to go to. And from there, you want to go to the download section. And as soon as you're on this download page on getpaint.net, which this link will be in the description of the video if you're looking for it, um, just go down to this area where it says download, whoop, down here, and don't go for the paid version for the Microsoft Store for Windows 10 because the free .pdn whatever version right here works on Windows 10 and on like pretty much any operating system, I would assume. So just click on that one on the picture .pdn, and then make sure not to click this start button right here. You want to look for the actual download, which is free download now, paint.net, whatever version it currently is. Click on that, and as soon as that's done downloading, you're going to want to open up that folder. Let's give it a second. Okay, so it opened on my other monitor. Right here, once you've got this zip folder or opened, downloaded rather, uh, you're going to want to run this install.exe right here, and it will install paint.net for you very quickly. Just see what happens here. So for me, I already have paint.net open, as you saw in the beginning of the video, and it wants me to close it so it can actually try reinstalling it, which I don't need because I already have this thing installed. So what you're going to want to do is just let it do its thing after it's done installing, get through the prompts, and you should be able to use the program at that point. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you guys out and see what happens. Thanks for watching, guys. More coming soon. Yer.